Brahma-Karma Samādhina. The Karma Samadhi is generally, when it comes to Gita, people's understanding, this is my complaint, please bear with me, people's understanding of karma and karma yoga, etc. is either incomplete or outright faulty. So one has to be very cautious about these things. And while speaking from a position of authority, if you spread a wrong message, that affects people very deeply, very unfortunate. But all these things do happen in the world, in the larger world. So that is a general comment. Coming to the point, when you do a job with the full attention, means no distraction. What could be possible distraction? Because if you identify the distraction, you can strive to avoid it, right? So what could be the possible distraction? Sri Krishna, Lord Sri Krishna, the Gita Acharya, has identified one distraction, the foremost distraction. Other distractions are not important, and that distraction is your desire for the result thereof. You perform the karma, to begin with, you are motivated by the result. Means, at the very beginning, there is the desire for the result, and while doing, there is desire for the result. And let me tell you this statement, that I will accept the result gracefully, etc., is very a simplistic statement, because I don't know how to convey the message across. When the result comes, you will not know that it is the result of such and such karma. What are you talking about? You will not know. Suppose you do some charity now, the result comes, whether it comes in this world, or no, I'm not talking about you worked hard and passed the examination. I'm not talking about that. Okay, I'm talking about the karma, an enjoined action which you perform, and the result will come probably not in this life, maybe in this life or in the next life, most probably next life. And when the result comes, will you know that, okay, that time I did that good, this result has come? Will you know that? Will you know? Suppose 100 people did not get COVID. 100 people got COVID. One person did not get it. Then I have done that charity in my last life because of which I did not get COVID this night. Can you pinpoint like that? Therefore, when you do not know, the karma you know, you are doing it. And its result it will come, as and when it comes, it comes. Therefore, the saying that I will accept result gracefully, etc., is a kind of posturing, it is. And it is speculation. It is not, I am not convinced by that. God knows when the result comes, it may come next birth, whether you will accept or not, gracefully or not. How to know? It happens when it happens. Therefore, at this point of time, when you begin the karma, what is it that motivates you? Is it the desire? While doing the karma, where is your focus of the mind and the result thereof? You do not know how to do karma properly. On the other hand, there is a karma to be performed, because that happens to be your duty. And then you do not have any motivation or desire for the result thereof. Then why should you do? Because it is my duty. That is the only reason to do the karma. There is no other reason. Then that karma is entirely free from any possible distraction, and hence it becomes samadhi, karma samadhi. So, if I take a class, I put all my heart into it. Heart, not only heart, mind also you have to put into it. Mind means understanding should be there. You should know some grammar, some language, these skills should be there. In addition to that, I put my heart in it, because that means my mind is in it, my heart is in it. I am not looking for any results thereof. That means, you know what? Every single class that I take can be a samadhi. And the people who work in the office, for many of them, it can be a samadhi. You please try this. You go to the office, you know you have to do some work. Stop this complaining about the boss, about the junior, about the senior, these complaints, etc. They will be there. They are permanently there. So ignore every one of them. All are Brahma. Forgive all. And ignore every complaint. And apply yourself to your job totally. And don't worry about your future, your career and all that. You don't have a future, because there is no animal called future exists in this world. You don't have a career, you have life buddhu. That is life important or career is important? Life is important. Buddhu means buddhiman. So please feel comfortable about it. Therefore, do your duty happily. I can only give one example. Like a scientist working in the laboratory. They work with so much dedication. And they too get salary. Salary is the reward you get immediately. They too get salary like everybody else. But they don't work for the salary. They work for the love of the work, and the salary comes behind them. That approach, that attitude of the mind becomes karma, that makes the karma into a samadhi. Then how to perform one's duties is answered. Being in the state of karma samadhi, we have answered.